Hello everyone, today we are talking about lunar nodes. You know, this week is already July coming, yeah? And 12th of July, lunar nodes will go to the next axis. For previous 1.5 years, moon nodes or lunar nodes were on the axis Scorpio Tauruses, yeah, and this was about resources, about finances, about all the transformation on these resources, money, etc., financial basis. So next 1.5 years it will be absolutely different energies working here, because all the eclipses will be happening near these nodes, who will be already on the next axis Aries and Libra. Aries energy is all about me, my desires, my interest, my beginnings, my project, me as the utmost important self-efficient somebody, yeah, who is putting interest at the first place. And Libra is partnership, yeah. So this utmost important sense of all the energies around, it will be me and partnership. Where are my interests and where my partner's interests? Do I have enough in return, or I'm just giving and nothing in return? It's about equal energy exchange. It's about guarding your own interests. It's about loving yourself and putting utmost strong effort in pumping yourself, in guarding your interests, in standing for your desires, for your goals. The most important thing here, guys, for the next 1.5 years is understand what you want, who you are, what you want to change in yourself, and put your desires, your interests, your goals at the first place. You know, sometimes people are, you know, putting what they want to achieve in life and what's important for them on the second place, on the third place. They're postponing these important things and beginnings because maybe it's not the time for others. Maybe I have to consider their interests first. Maybe I have to put my partners at first, what they advise me, what is the right time, etc., etc. This is not a right thing to do, okay? This 1.5 years, it will be about you, about your beginnings. You have to understand what you want to change in yourself, and physically too, and metaphorically too, what you want in your life. Be honest with yourself and begin, okay? Don't postpone this. Start doing what you want to do and when you want to do. Okay, let's have a look where North Node will be in every sign of zodiac. What I'm saying, North Node will be in Aries. That's why I'm telling you that to be a little bit of egocentric will be okay, and to guard your interests will be okay, because you will be creative and you will be inspiring others, and you can't just consider everyone and please everyone and do what you want. No. You have to choose, and you are choosing yourself, okay? So North Node will be in Aries for 1.5 years, beginning from 12th of July, okay? This area of Aries sign is in everyone horoscope in different houses, okay? And this will be important for every one of you. Let's have a look. If you are Aries in your ascendant, okay? Ascendant in Aries, so North Node will be in your first house of horoscope, and whatever I said, put yourself on first place, do what you want and when you want, yeah, and changing in you something in yourself. Yes, this will be the advice for you, yeah. You have to put yourself in first place. Then if you are by ascendant, by rising sun Taurus, then North Node will be in 12th house of horoscope. So your growing point will be in this area, 12th house of horoscope, and this is making everything clear. Get away of all the restrictions, get away from the borders around you, what you are not allowed, where you're restricted to do whatsoever. Put everything clear, because 12th house of horoscope, it's secrets, it's something hidden, it's something, you know, being in love triangles, for example. No, now you are going open, okay? You have to choose your interest here, yeah? And if it's love triangles, just finish with this one, okay? Because it's important for you to get rid of all the secrets, of the hidden stuff, and you know, try to find what is the area around you which is comfortable for you. And because 12th house and 6th house at the same axis, maybe you will find the work not in the office but far away from the office, because 12th house of horoscope, it's my place, yeah, my oasis, where I'm comfortable and where nobody is shaking me. That's how I'm going to work now. Well, if you are Gemini in ascendant, yeah, in rising sun, then your north node, your point of growth for this 1 year and a half, will be in 11th house of horoscope. Then you have to make some international online project or something like this. Find your people around you, find your friends who are thinking the same, who are helping you. Find your creative team and go online with the big project, because this is 11th house of horoscope. And if you are getting married for the third time, it will be the right time, because 11th house of horoscope is a third marriage, okay? Then Cancers, your north node will be in your 10th house of horoscope. It's your career, it's your status, it's your recognition, and it's your work. So your place of work might be changing, or your status might be changing. If you were not married, you might be married within this 1 year and a half. If you were married, you might get divorced. If you were childless, maybe you will have a new status of a parent. So status will be changing, okay? And your career orientation might be changing as well. If you are Leo in ascendant, then your north node within this 1 year and a half will be in 9th house of horoscope. It's about horizons, broadening horizons, mentally and physically. You will go abroad, you will go maybe traveling, or you will immigrate in another country or whatever, or you will start to learn languages, and I don't know, maybe even high education, maybe second one or third one or whatsoever, yeah? Or maybe you will begin to write a book. It's about broadening horizons in mental way and in a physical way, yeah? If you are Virgo, your north node for this 1 year and a half will be in 8th house of horoscope. It's money of other people. Think about passive income. Think about how to make wise investment in order to organize this money from investment. It's not about what you are doing every day, yeah, like you are making money by your own hands. It's 2nd house of horoscope. No, here you are accumulating money by good investment, okay? But also importance of sex, because 8th house of horoscope, it's about sex as well. The importance of sex is very, very huge within this 1 year and a half for Virgos. You have to understand how valuable it is, how it's opening the doors for you in many ways, yeah? But also, if you want to start some occult sciences like esoteric, occult sciences, maybe rune, maybe tarot cards, maybe astropsychology, maybe hypnosis, maybe Tsugun or whatever, this is the right time for you to do this. It's very, very, very good. If you are Libra in your ascendant, yeah, then north node will be in 7th house of horoscope. So partnership will be the utmost important for you. You will change attitude towards partnership within this 1 year and a half. You have to understand that you are making much more in your life if you are in partnership, because you are made to be in partners. But this partnership is supposed to be really, really advantageous for you. This is the utmost thing. So guard your own interest while being in partnership, okay? And yes, there is a big chance for you to find your real soulmate, your karmic partner within this year. So please open up your horizons for finding your partner. To be continued, guys, because the time is over now, so it will be part 2 about moon nodes, lune nodes, change the axis, yeah? Okay, see you very soon.